Students of Mindanao Koksai Daigaku under Dr. Albert Jubilo, an Earth Environmental Science professor, had given them a project to conduct a video research proposal on the issues regarding the environment. Several groups were formed, and one of which is a group of Omegas, headed by Maria Carmela Lamar and its co-members Christine Jorejone, Willa May Ganyabo, Chochi Tanodra, Stephanie Salmason, Lovely Grace Guzman, Raymart Saldo, Jufiel Balagat, and Jonah Pasion. The group chose to research on logging and its environmental effects.
Marami talagang nagtatanong kung bakit laging talagang napili natin. Bakit nga ba?
Kasi ganito yan. Siyempre, alam natin yung reason. Pero para malaman nila, kaya laging napili namin kasi challenging kasi talaga yung laging. Parang adventure at the same time. Kasi siyempre, wala sa Davao yun eh, di ba?
Oo nga naman, wala talaga sa Davao.
Sa ibang
Lupalop na muna.
Hindi naman. Pero pinaka reason talaga kung bakit laging yung napili natin is maraming
Naapektuhan.
effects yung laging. Malaking impact nung laging sa environment. Diba? At malalaman natin yan later on. Ano yung mga impacts ng laging sa...
Dagan nang makarelate, tapos dagan sila ma-learn.
Kung saan bad effect ato sa ilang ginahimo.
So pa din, yung ibang grupo may napili na din, diba? So hindi tayo pwede gumaya.
Dapat kanya-kanya.
Environmental issues affect every life on this planet, from the smallest parasite to the human race. The reason for this is simple. A single disruption in the Earth's delicate balance can mean certain destruction of the very place that cradles the lives of many species. What is not so simple as finding alternatives to the now dangerous and confronting acts of planet degradation that have been afflicted to the planet over recent years. One such issue that requires consideration is deforestation. Trees have been or are being cut down at increasingly high rates. If this is not stopped, many unfavorable side effects could result.
So, some experience. So, nag-activity sa forest na according to our very reliable source na dagandog laging dito. So, even though I don't know what's inside the forest, nagtujud me. And
may
then,
delikado, di ba?
yes, pero, of course, dili siya pwede. Isulti kung unsa tong specific na place kay very confidential. So, that can be like experience like,
Di ba ito nag-hiking? Dito siya, di ba? Gusto mo gani, wala tagi paak, safe sana, naman na itong hiking.
Nagadagan ang bitin.
Hindi kasi
Na-rela din akong beauty ato, Mega.
Then, katong sa sapa na grabe, ang agos niya.
Gusto kayo ang flow.
Kayo.
Gusto yung tabog kita, di ba? Para lang din na project na to. Kita dito sa ganito na to na place. Di kaya dyan na mo tanan. Fear factor.
Unya, nag-hiking pa mo dito.
of course, bisang nagkalisod na biday, nag-urus-urus na ang mga yuta dito.
layo kayo
Oo, kasi delikado dyan kayo, di ba na NPA daw dito? So, kahit na-joke may buhat dito mong tanan. Para dyan aning makaano dyan ni sa, uso dyan epekto na dyan ganin sa environment na to.
Pag gusto na mo mabalaan kung what's inside the forest.
Unya, unsa may inyong nakitaan?
Inside the forest, pahak na siya. Unfortunately, nakita mi og mga loggers. Nakita mi og paano na-acto dyan siya kung sa pag-cut, yung sa pag-deliver, yun.
CJ and Carmela went to a place where the cut trees are brought in. They were accompanied by two persons whose names we cannot reveal.
Yung experience naman namin dun sa place, kung saan kami dinala nung kasi hindi namin super confidential talaga kasi nakakatakot na in the best kasi sobrang tago yung place eh. Parang,
Para siya nasa gitna ng isang jungle na ganun. Takot talaga.